So you can see here, just kind of breaking in that Pathfinder canteen. Gonna boil some water, do some coffee, cook on the coals, swing you around so you can kind of get what the got going on there. 3 wire sticks, all propped up, interlocked. Creates a pot crane. So I can stick over a fire as much as I want, as close as I want, as far back as I want. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Nice little lathe that's going to burn down some coals, put my skillet on, give me some eggs, a bit of hot dogs in there, bring you back when it's ready. To speed up the time a little bit, I want my coffee faster than what it was taking over there. This is just kind of sitting up a little too high. It actually needs to drop down so it's over here above it. It's alright, as you can see there, got my skillet going. I was still able to take that off without burning myself. It's now sticking down in the coals. I'll have coffee for too long. This is what we got going on here. By the way, I would suggest carving your own spoon. It's the one thing I always seem to leave behind. So there we go. A meal cooked on the coals. Use a fry pan. Not bad.